I have Samsung Galaxy J3 2017 and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case it could be the calendar, and let's assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I need to do is use this combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys for 2 seconds, let me show you. And you just capture the screen. So let me show you again. Let's hold down together power key and volume down simultaneously, and you just save this screen. Now if you would like to share, edit or delete taken screenshots, let's open the upper bar and here you can tap the screenshot captured, or you may also accomplish that by using the gallery, and here under pictures or under albums you can choose the screenshot folder. So here you can choose your screenshot and now you can share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with the following pictures. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.